You've got the Fortis front bumper, but bumpers are like socks. They gotta match. That's why you need the Steelcraft Fortis rear bumper. Just like the Fortis front bumper, the Fortis rear bumper is a sleek bumper that is designed to fit tightly to the body of your truck. This gives you a tough look without messing up the flow of your truck. If safety is a concern, the Fortis rear bumper accommodates your rear parking and blind spot sensors. This way you can confidently take your truck anywhere. Speaking of safety, this bumper is a great option to protect the rear end of your truck. It's made from 10-gauge steel for strength, and it's a fully welded one-piece bumper that will give you uncompared durability in just about any situation. And just in case you get caught out after dark, or that person doesn't see you back out, you know who I'm talking about. The Fortis rear bumper is ready for two 3-inch reverse lights. There are two D-ring shackle mounts located in the rear of the bumper for when you need to help pull someone out of the ditch. If you're into towing, you can keep your OE trailer hitch as well. To protect the bumper itself, it has a 3-stage process which includes an acid dip, e-coating, and a powder coat finish to keep out rust and corrosion. If you're interested in purchasing the Fortis rear bumper from Steelcraft or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.